If you're looking to create consistency with your documents, styles are a fantastic way to do this. Let's have a look at how these work. So here I have a Word document, and inside the document I have a range of headings. So here's an example of the heading here. Rather than making that bold, italic, underline, 14 points, etc., to make it nice and easy, I can come up here to the styles grouping in Microsoft Word, and I can simply click on Word's style, which here is heading number 1. Now, if I don't like that particular style, I can come here and I can change its attributes. So I could change it to Arial, and I could make that 14 points, and I could make it bold. And then what I could do here is right click and choose to update that. So every time I use this, it's going to look like that. So this is a heading 1. Now, if I come further down into my document, I might have different elements that I want to pop in. I want to make this a secondary heading because that first one's the title. So if I click on heading 2, and let's just say I also want to change that to Arial, and I want to make that 12 points, and I want to make it bold. And then if I right click here and choose update heading to match that style, now I can click on this heading here. Notice I don't have to have the whole lot selected. I simply click on it, and Word applies a style to a paragraph, which is simply a piece of text with an enter after it. So what I've done here is I've created a heading 1, which is the major heading in our document, and then some subheadings. So that keeps consistency. So anytime if I want to change the font or the color, etc., I can simply right click and choose modify, pick a different color, and click OK, and that will change it. And anytime I use that heading 1 style in my document, it will automatically update. Now, the next step to this that makes this a fantastic option is the fact that I can now go to References, Table of Contents, and I can click on a simple table of contents, and it will automatically put a table of contents in based upon those different headings. So if I decide to change this from Overview to Update, all I need to do is come back here, simply right click on the table of contents, choose Update Field, and you can see it automatically updates. So using styles is a fantastic way of keeping consistency in your Word documents, but it also makes it much easier to create professional tables of content. And of course, you just do a simple Control Enter to put that on a separate page, right click again, and you would choose Update Field, Entire Table, and it will update the page numbering as well. Smarter, not harder with Microsoft Word.